Welcome to Kang's World! Hi everyone, I received a package from the brand Thank You Farmer. They kindly sent me some of their Miracle Age. I want to say thank you to Hyejin for sending this over. So let's start with the Repair Eye Cream. It's an anti-aging eye cream with creamy cheese texture that makes the skin around the eyes firm and smooth. It is a pre-anti-aging eye cream. It has wrinkle improvement and whitening dual functionality up in nutrition. It has a luxurious signature scent that soothes the skin and mind. It soothes your mind with the hardship of city life and relaxes you through the luxurious powdery blending of jasmine, calendula, and other floral scents. Next is the Miracle Age Repair Serum. It's an anti-aging serum with a highly concentrated formulation, providing liveliness and vitality to the tensionless skin. It's a corset serum, a highly nutrition concentrated, chewy texture felt at the tip of your hands. It provides skin vitality and vigor to the sleeping skin with natural ingredients. A reversal texture that changes from moisture to adhesion with its highly supplementary nutrition. A boosting effect that helps the absorption of active ingredients in each stage during the basic care. Next is Miracle Age Repair Cream. An anti-aging cream provides nutrition and strengthens the weakened skin barrier to make skin healthy and younger. It blocks harmful substances from the outside environment and makes it healthy from its roots. It forms a skin barrier up with force with its elastic energy. A synergy effect that helps absorb all the ingredients from the basic care step. It helps give a strong and tight skin line as it softly wraps up. With the olive crystal emulsion technique, it gives plenty of nutrients when applied, and it gives an outstanding moisture and a chewy adhesion on the skin. The last but not the least is the Miracle Age Melawring Dual Balm. It's a high-performance dual balm that reduces wrinkles and melanin production. It has dual formulation for double efficiency. First is the melanin care for improving pigmentation, glow-boosting evening skin tone moisturizing, and a wrinkle care for lifting skin around the eyes, reducing eye wrinkles, increasing skin elasticity, and improving skin firmness. The effectiveness and absorption are increased while the sticky feeling is reduced. It melts at skin temperature, absorbs quickly, then delivers active ingredients while increasing moisturizing durability. Now let me show you how I normally use these items. First, after cleansing and toning, I use the Miracle Age Eye Cream. I use my finger to get the product and gently tap the product around my eye area. Spread the product until it's fully absorbed. Next is the Miracle Age Repair Serum. Gently apply an appropriate amount on your face and neck. Next is the Miracle Age Repair Cream. Apply a thin layer of the cream to your face. Gently massage using upward motion and allow it to fully absorb. The last but not the least is the Miracle Age Melawring Dual Balm. Turn the dial at the bottom of the container and apply the balm on areas that need special care, such as skin around the eyes or neck. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more. Let me know in the comment if ever you've tried this brand. And I'm going to leave the link in the description, all the products that I feature on this video as well as their website link. And that's it. Until next time. Bye!